Let's compare three BIM tools for architects and engineers: Revit, Archicad, and Vectorworks. So Revit, developed by Autodesk, is widely used in enterprise-level architecture and engineering firms. It's built for BIM, building information modeling from the ground up, with powerful parametric tools, multidiscipline coordination, and deep integration with structural and MEP workflows. It's ideal for complex projects and large teams, but has a steep learning curve and requires strong hardware. Archicad by Graphisoft is known for its user-friendly interface and fast modeling. It's popular among architects who prioritize design speed and visual output. Archicad supports native BIM workflows and offers real-time collaboration with BIM Cloud. It's less resource-intensive than Revit and better suited for small to mid-sized firms. Vectorworks Architect is the most flexible of the three. It combines strong 2D drafting with 3D modeling and BIM capabilities. It's great for designers who want creative freedom and control over presentation. However, its BIM features aren't as deep or standardized as Revit or Archicad, which can limit interoperability on large projects. You choose Revit for scale and precision, Archicad for speed and design, and Vectorworks for creative flexibility.